This video will cover how to use hot corners on a Mac. Hot corners are custom shortcuts you can trigger by moving your mouse cursor to the four corners of your screen. To get started, go ahead and open up System Preferences. From here, select Mission Control. Now at the bottom left, select Hot Corners. In this pop-up, you can customize your hot corners. Let's set one up for the top left by clicking the top left drop-down menu. I'm going to choose Launchpad from this menu. Now, when I bring my cursor all the way to the top left corner of the screen, Launchpad will open. To close Launchpad, I can bring the cursor back to the top left corner or tap the Escape key. The shortcut will only trigger if your mouse cursor goes right in the corner, so you can still safely select the Apple logo at the top left without Launchpad popping up. However, sometimes it can still happen on accident if you move your cursor a bit too far. If you want to use hot corners but are worried about this, macOS has a built-in alternative. Let's try it out by opening the lower left hot corner drop-down menu. Here we will select Desktop, but before doing so, press either the Command, Option, or Control key. I will choose the Command key. You can now see that the icon for whichever key you chose shows up on the left side of Desktop. Now, if we try to trigger the hot corner shortcut for the lower left corner of the screen, nothing will happen. But if you hold the Command key, or whatever key you chose, before moving your mouse cursor to the lower left corner, you can launch your hot corner shortcut. This method should prevent most accidental hot corner activations. Lastly, if you would like to remove a hot corner, you can select the drop-down menu for the corner you want to clear, and then select the dash or hyphen at the bottom of the menu. And that's how to use hot corners on a Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel for more content like this. And be sure to check out our website, whatthetech.io.